leaders are also here.
Well, there you have it. Bunch of opposition parties upping the ante. High voltage drama there right outside the parliament, accusing the government of not willing to discuss on key issues like the farm laws, the Pegasus Snoop Gate. Here's Rahul Gandhi-led opposition. We're looking at least 15 opposition parties that have hit the streets right outside the parliament, protesting vehemently against the government not willing to discuss key issues. Here's Rahul Gandhi addressing the media now.
Can we have some silence? Thank you, everybody, for coming here. The parliament session is over, and frankly, as far as 60% of the country is concerned, there has been no parliament session. Because the voice of 60% of this country has been crushed, humiliated, and yesterday in the Rajya Sabha, physically beaten. We raised the issue of Pegasus. We asked the government to debate Pegasus. The government refuses to debate Pegasus. We raised the issue of farmers outside Parliament because we cannot raise it inside Parliament. We raised the issue of price rise outside Parliament because we could not raise it inside Parliament. And today we have come here to speak to you because we are not allowed to speak inside Parliament. This is nothing short of the murder of the democracy of this country. I'd also like my friends from other parties to make their comments. Rahul sir.
देखिए, जैसे कि अभी राहुल जी ने कहा कि पार्लियामेंट सेशन हुआ ही नहीं है। अगर विपक्ष को अपनी बात रखने का मौका नहीं मिला है, हम जनता के हित में, देश के हित में जो बात रखना चाहते थे, हमारा आवाज आप तक पहुंचने नहीं दिया। अगर आप इसे पार्लियामेंट का सेशन कहते हैं तो मैं मानता हूं ये पार्लियामेंट का सेशन नहीं थी। हमारे सबके सामने हमने कल देखा है, लोकतंत्र की हत्या हुई हमने देखा है, हमारे आंखों से देखा है। जिस तरह से कल राज्यसभा में मार्शल के ड्रेस पर बाहर से प्राइवेट लोग आकर हमारे महिला सांसद और हमारे सभी सांसदों के ऊपर हमला करने की कोशिश की, मुझे लगा ये मार्शल नहीं थे, मार्शल लॉ लगाया था राज्यसभा में और पार्लियामेंट में। हमने इस प्रकार से जो लोग खड़े थे कल, तो मैंने तो बोला कि मुझे लगता है कि मैं पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर पे खड़ा हूँ और हमें रोका जा रहा है अंदर जाने से। इस देश में कल पवार साहब ने जो कहा है कि उनके 55 साल के संसदीय लोकशाही के पूरे जीवन में इस प्रकार का चित्र ना खड़गे साहब ने देखा है, ना पवार साहब ने देखा है, और 20 साल में ना हमने देखा है। अगर इस प्रकार से आप दर दिन लोकतंत्र की हत्या करते रहेंगे तो मुझे विश्वास है दर दिन लोकतंत्र को हम जिंदा करेंगे और ज्यादा ताकत से देश के सामने आएंगे। मैं ये जो हमारी अपोजिशन की यूनिटी है उसको धन्यवाद देता हूं कि कल भी हम एक साथ थे और आज भी एक साथ है और कल भी रहेंगे। धन्यवाद।
In more than 2 decades of experience in Parliament, we have never witnessed what we experienced yesterday in the Rajya Sabha. The opposition, as the voice of the people, raised very important issues. The Pegasus, farmers issue, and the price rise to be discussed. The government never considered to any one of our demands. Above all, yesterday, the General Insurance Business Amendment Bill is very important, in which the government is attempting to dilute the shares of the government and sell it to the private companies. Lakhs of employees are agitating, crores of policyholders are affected. So we just suggested that it should be referred to a select committee. Even that they didn't relent. They didn't concede. They were trying to push what all they wanted. They passed 35 bills, and yesterday in the din they wanted to pass the insurance bill. When the members agitated, force was exerted upon them. literally 2 women MPs were dragged in the pathway, and all our efforts to resist the government not to bring the bill for discussion was futile. But all the TVs, Rajya Sabha TV has been blacked out. What happens on the opposition benches never goes to the people. So we have come to you, through you only, we can make to the people, take to the people, clear our stand that all of us are united. All the opposition parties in this country are now united against this authoritarian government who are rigid, where the parliament is in peril, the democracy is in peril, and no democracy is allowed to the opposition members. So we are all united. Come here, and through you it should reach the people that we were not the responsible as we were being alleged or accused. Only the ruling party is solely responsible for not functioning the parliament and all other things that have happened.
Now we are here to register our protest. What have been going on in the parliament? Parliament is insulated from the media persons. The Editors Guild, Journalists Union and the leaders of the media have written a letter to Speaker to remove the ban on the media from entering the Parliament House. The Parliament Rajya Sabha TV is not telecasting our voice. We have raised several issues which are related with the national security and the life of the people at large. But never they agree us to raise a single word on Pegasus or farmers issue or employment, unemployment or price rise. Yesterday, they behaved like gundas. There were no marshals, there were some gundas in the dress of marshals. They manhandled our lady members, even others. We are hurt from them. This is unprecedented in the history of the parliament. We cannot agree with that. We will take this agitation outside the parliament. You please report the fact to the people.
ये पूरा संसद का जो सत्र रहा है, ये मैं समझता हूं कि बहुत ही हमारे सब लोगों के लिए शर्मनाक रहा है। कल हमारे नेता शरद पवार जी ने राज्यसभा में बैठे हुए जो प्रोसीडिंग्स हो रही थी उसके बारे में टिप्पणी की है, और जो आप सभी लोगों ने आज अखबारों में भी कैरी किया है कि उन्होंने अपने संसदीय जीवन में इस प्रकार की शर्मनाक घटनाओं को कभी देखा नहीं है। और ये जिम्मेदारी सरकार की बनती है कि वे संसद को सुचारू रूप से चलाने के लिए सहयोग करे, और खास करके जो
Here you hear opposition leaders one after the other quite angry and expressing their dissent about no discussion in the deadlock within the parliament. K.C. Venugopal speaking to India Today. Anand Patel bringing us more on that. We're going to try and cut across, but before that, Praful Patel speaking right here.
ये बहुत ही, ये मैं समझता हूं कि बहुत ही शर्मनाक बात है। इसके लिए जितनी निंदा की जाए कम है। मैं ये फिर से दोहराना चाहता हूं कि शरद पवार जी इस बात से बहुत दुखी है और उन्होंने इसकी निंदा कल की है।
समाजवादी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी और समाजवादी पार्टी पूरी तरह से विपक्ष के साथ में है। जिस तरह से संसद के अंदर मार्शल लगाकर, पुलिस लगा करके भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने ये कृत्य किया, उसकी हम निंदा करते हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश में जिस तरह से महिलाओं के साथ पंचायत के चुनाव में चीरहरण हुआ है, उसी तरह संसद के
marshals were brought in right inside the house of the parliament to stop the opposition. Let's cut across. Anand Patel speaking to K.C. Venugopal.
A year back, me and my colleague Ms. Ramya Haridas, both of them were heckled and pushed by the marshal inside the Lok Sabha. So this is happening under the Modi regime. Whether inside the parliament or outside the parliament, there is no safety, security, dignity for women in this Narendra Modi's government. That's what we vehemently opposing. Me and our leader Rahul Gandhi, under his leadership, all the opposition parties unitedly fighting for the women, farmers and the internal security of this country, price rise and the petrol diesel hike. We are fighting for all issues of people, we want to have a discussion on this, but government refused to have a discussion because they get scared of Mr. Gandhi and the Congress party and the United Opposition. Thank you.
So, MP from Tamil Nadu, Jyothimani, clearly saying that the opposition unity has got the government scared, and that's the reason why this kind of a situation is playing out in both the houses, be it Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, the government trying to muzzle the opposition and pass its bill. So big protest, massive protest by the opposition parties and a march from Parliament to Vijay Chowk. With camera person Sanjay, this is Anand Patel for India Today.
You're having Tamil Nadu MP